Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Ever opened a project, seen a wall of import lines, and felt lost? By the end of today, imports will feel obvious because you'll know exactly how Python finds your code. Module 8. Every file of Python is a module. Import is just you saying, go get the code from that other file and let me use it here. Let's see the forms, then watch Python actually hunt it down. 3 things. You'll read every form of import with confidence. You'll know how Python actually finds a module. And you'll understand what turns a plain folder into a package. 3 shapes, and that's basically all of them. Import math grabs the whole module, and you reach in with a dot. For math, import square root pulls just the one name you want, and import as lets you give it a shorter nickname. That's every import line you'll ever meet. So where does it look? When you import shop, Python walks a list of places, top to bottom, your project first, then installed packages. The first match wins. It runs that file once, remembers it, and hands it back. No magic. Just a search. And a package is just a folder Python is allowed to import from. What grants that permission? That dunder init file. Drop it in, and now the folder is a package. And each file, inside is a module you can import with a .path, like store.cart. Sarah here, this is the top of a real file. And now you read it like a map. Pull cart from the cart module inside store. Pull charge from pay. And grab logging from the standard library. No mystery left. Just here's where each piece comes from. And that's modules and imports. You can read any import, you know how Python finds code, and you know what makes a package. Next time, errors and exceptions, and how to read a traceback without panicking. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.